Today we learn how to find all the zeros of a given polynomial. Remember that a polynomial will have maximum zeros which will be equal to the degree of the polynomial. To understand what I have said, let us take example. Find all zeros of this polynomial, that is 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. Now here the degree of the polynomial is 4, so we have to get maximum 4 zeros. It could be 3, it could be 2, it could be 1, or there could be no zeros also. But in the question we are given that this polynomial has 2 zeros and they are root 2 and minus root 2. We are told to find the remaining zeros of this polynomial. So we could get 2 more or we could get 1 more. To find that, we are going to solve by doing division algorithm. But in this example, we don't know the divisor. Since you're given that the zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, we will write x equal to root 2 and x equal to minus root 2. We will bring the root 2 terms on the left hand side to find factors. So factors are x minus root 2, and when we bring this here, it becomes x plus root 2. These are the factors. Therefore, the divisor is x. I will use identity a plus b a minus b, which is x square minus root 2 the whole square, which is x square minus 2. This is the divisor, this is the dividend. We will do long division. To do long division, I will use this space. So this is 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Our divisor is x square minus 2. The procedure is same to divide the two polynomials. So we will divide 2x raised to 4 with x square mentally, and that is 2x square. Multiplying 2x square with both these terms, we will get 2x raised to 4 minus 4x square, which we will write here. We will change sign, cancel the first term and write the remainder. We will bring 6x down. The next term of the quotient is by dividing minus 3x cubed with x square. So that is minus 3x. So we get minus 3x cubed. When I multiply this 2, we'll get positive 6x, which I will write here. I change sign, cancel the first term and write the remainder. I'll bring minus 2 down. The last term, if I have to find, we divide these two values, and that is plus 1. So that's x square minus 2. Change sign, remainder 0. That means this is a factor of this dividend. But we are told to find all zeros. So what we are going to do now is we are going to factorize the quotient. So we'll write 2x raised to 2, this is the quotient, minus 3x plus 1 equated to 0. And factorize this by splitting the middle term. So we multiply 2 into 1, and factors of 2 are 2 and 1. Since we want minus 3, both these terms are negative. The product of these two negative terms is plus 2. So we can factorize it by splitting the middle term and finding the factors. Taking common 2x, this is x minus 1. These are the factors. To get minus 1x, I write 1 here. So this is 2x minus 1, x minus 1 are the factors. Each factor I equate to 0 to find the zeros of the polynomial. So we have got two zeros. That is, zeros are half and 1 by factorizing the quotient. And in the question, we are given two zeros. That is root 2 and minus root 2. So total we have 4 zeros of this polynomial, and that is equal to the degree of the polynomial. So that completes the sum. So this is method to find all zeros. The given zeros are used To find the divisor is then used to divide the dividend, and then the quotient is factorized to find the remaining zeros. We then solve another sum. In this question, we have been given on dividing 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by gx, the quotient and the remainder are respectively 3x minus 5 and 9x plus 1. We are told to find gx. So this is an application question based on division algorithm. Division algorithm is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We are given the dividend, see, on dividing, so this is dividend, so we will substitute the value for the dividend. We don't know the divisor is to be found. The quotient is 3x minus 5 and the remainder is 9x plus 10. If I have to solve this further, then the remainder I will bring on left hand side. So when I bring the remainder here, this will be minus 9x minus 10, and these two terms will be on RHS. Now like terms we will add subtract. So this is 3x cube plus x square. This is subtracted, so minus 7x, and when I subtract this, this is negative 5. This is gx into 3x minus 5. To find gx, we are going to divide this by 3x minus 5, and that will give us gx. Now to find gx, we have to do division algorithm. So I will rub off this calculations and show division algorithm. We divide 3x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 5 with 3x minus 5. As I have already told, to find the first term of the quotient, we divide 3x cube with 3x, and that will give us x square. So this becomes 3x cube minus 5x square. We change sign to cancel the first term, so this becomes 6x square minus 7x. To find the next term of the quotient, we will divide 6x square with 3x. So this will work out to 2x, which is the next term of the quotient. 2x we multiply with both the terms. So 2x into 3x is 6x square, and that is minus 10x. Change sign, cancel first term, subtract this, that will give us 3x. Bring 5x down, 5 down. We then divide 3x with 3x, so that is plus 1, and this is what we'll get. Change sign, remainder is 0. The quotient that we have obtained is the value of gx.